Greetings. Welcome to the Apache-Sitgreaves National Forest. We're right alongside Horton Creek, which is just absolutely flowing. It's beautifully fed by snow melt and rainwater. We are going in probably a more precarious time where there's rain and potential flash flood warnings, but this is going to be, for the most part, we'll be spending most of our time tonight. Got myself, Ethan, Joel, and two other friends of his coming along. Come on and say hi there.
What's up?
So we're here out in God's country. It's going to get a little chilly tonight, but nothing that we haven't prepared for. Our main concern is just to stay high enough to avoid the flash floods, if there are any. But Lord willing, there won't be. But this is it.
This is it.
Here we go. We're in the creek. Say what's up. Hey, Mug. Well, oh, easy does it.
There's your water jack.
Yeah. Well, I'm ore farming, guys.
Jack, are you thinking for your water? No, it's not enough.
Getting on the trail, getting some miles in for a set up camp tonight. Seriously. I'm gonna go in the nude. Don't worry about me. So yes, we are making our way through about 1.5 miles in, and it is 6,000 feet elevation. We are climbing up towards Mogollon Rim, which contains the largest contiguous ponderosa pine forest in the world. So this is parts and strands of it. We have multitude of ponderosas, some Douglas fir, Granville oak, and here and there some sycamore down in the creek, waiting for our boys. Joel?
He's behind me, isn't he?
Yep. Yep, represent. Gang, gang. Yes. Yeah. Ropes up. I don't think it is. Look at that shroom. Yeah, you want to take it?
Let's get Ethan to eat that.
Yeah. I mean, it's probably one of those things you can either eat it once, and that's about it, or you eat it and you have a really good time and go into Never Never Land.
Yeah, Ethan should be it.
Someone in the comments identify that, please. Beautiful nature. Take it off, that's right.
Oh.
Smooth jazz.
Give me that Yeah. You can tell it's an aspen tree by the way
Joe,
it is.
can you get my phone?
It's incredible, guys. Welcome to nature.
Nature time with Joe.
Okay, folks, we're continuously trucking along here. We're nearing the spring, which is just where all of the water from snow melt and rainfall is captured down off the Mogollon Rim and then forms the creek over there, which then runs down into a tributary, probably the East Verde River. So right now we got hardcore Ethan here. He is hacking it, man. Dude's first time backpacking. He's killing it. It's making me proud. Yeah. Oh, frig! Ah! Yeah, I just died. Pay attention while hiking, folks. Exercise caution. Some of the fall colors here barely coming in. Over on the distance is the top of the Mogollon Rim, which sits at close to 7,000 feet above sea level. We're about 6-ish. So lots of beautiful coniferous trees and deciduous near closer to the creek. Our boys, hey, help! We've been stranded out here for 10 days.
Don't listen to him, he's a skinwalker.
Help! Widowy. I drove up here in my mom's Subaru. Look at this. This is a raging river here. I ought to be careful. If I fall in, I'm gonna get swept away.
Careful, Spot.
Careful, Spot. Careful, Spot. Feeling it, Mr. Krabs? Okay.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
Potential campsite number 56. I'm not sure how comfortable I'd be with how close we are to the water here, but still pretty neat. Some of the fall colors coming into effect. It's very nice. Here we are. This is the spring source of water and life in the arid environment. Looks darn right like a scene from the Pacific Northwest, but that is mainly fed by snow melt and rainwater from up above on the Mogollon Rim, close to 8,000 feet above sea level. So this is what gives life to the desert below. Little fishy?
Oh, yeah. I sure appreciate some fishing. Actually, I packed some freeze-dried cod.
Fish sticks.
No, just straight raw cod.
Oh wow.
I think I'll take the weight. That'd be smart.
Do or do not. There is no try. Okay, folks, here we are, home for the night. Everybody's set up, and I have to prepare for the coming storm. I don't know exactly when, but probably close to 9 or 10 in the evening. Rain's going to come through. It's 5:38 right now. Sun's setting in less than 30 minutes, 20 minutes exactly. So here we go. shucks.
I can hold it if you want.
Please and thank you. This ain't going nowhere but there. Come on. It's supposed to be. Well, maybe if we.
Yeah, no. Yep. Figured. Yep. Here we go, guys. Something. There we go. Is it catching? Ooh, it's catching.
Nice. Excellent. Thank you very much, Ethan. Folks, he's here to save the day. He's single. He's a wild man, survival expert, making sure my flint and steel efforts were not in vain.
They were not. There we go. Now we just gotta keep the fire.
Small little twigs. That's a good one.
Yeah. That's the idea. We have cardons and cardons. Yet we don't really have fires to start off with. What can we throw in here to make it?
Go.
Ooh. Let's go check on that. Let's see if there's enough rust there.
Oh yeah. Oh, and I have I told the boys I was going to use it, so I will.
Well, use it. You gonna cut those off?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll probably just snap them. That saw isn't really the best.
No, I was gonna do those there. Thank you, Christopher's kids. Being big boys.
Well, here we are. We're having ourselves still lake lasagna with Mountain Summit sausage. Got the fire, got the boys.
Oh, yeah.
Just boiling it, you know, regular old mountain people activities. So, yep. See how much longer we got. Quite a bit. We're at 7,000 feet, so takes a while to boil.
Fan of it as a control fires like Ethan said.
So here we have rainproof fire by Camden. He put ourselves into a good position. We have big logs covering up most of the fuel down below, so it's like a darn chimney almost. I mean, gosh, it might melt the camera. So it's about to rain. It's sprinkling a little bit. The trees are blowing with the wind, and yeah, nature time. Well,
got a fire set up. We're just waiting for the real rain to get going.
Action?
Yeah.
Starting to come down a little. Is that a monster? Bigfoot. It's him. Jack is the darn Sasquatch. I knew he'd be out here. That's why I came out here, folks, is to try to find him. Making sure I had a good place for him. Yep.
It's here to hunt.
Here to hunt that damn Sasquatch. Yeah, I'm heading in, I think. Good night, folks.
Good night.
Good night. Perfect timing. So, yep, we just made it in for the storm. Now we're gonna hunker down and get some sleep before we flood. Good night. The GoPro. It's freaking out. Alright, we're getting the heck out of here. It's like we transported to the Pacific Northwest. Maybe I should start an alternative rock band called Buddha, or no, Nirvana, yeah, that's it. And then have my death staged. The coffee. Yes. 16 Echen Zat bitte. Coffee chocolate. Alright. Yeah, this looks like Washington State. This is insane. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Slippy dippy. Freaking heck. Slip and slide here, Camden. Wait a minute. I'm confused. We could have just stuck to this side. We didn't have to go over there.
That's what I was saying.
Transformed overnight into the Lord of the Rings. It's like unlike anything I've ever seen before in my life. A true marvel of science, recreation of dinosaurs. Here we are in Jurassic Park. Please, whatever you may do, don't touch that gate. It has very dangerous animals in it. Dinosaurs that can kill us all. Alright, I had to strip down layers. It was getting too hot. So, heading down the trail still. Nature. Yes. All right. I just lost the camera, found it again. Here, let's catch up to him.
Whoa, start!
Yeah, let's restart that. Alright.
Alright.
On your marks. Get set. Go! Oh!
And Joel takes the victory.
We made it back. We're soaking wet. Ready?
Wet. Very wet.
Great experience. Hope you guys enjoy that. If you do, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe for more shenanigans. God bless you. Have a good day.